I first became involved when I was a law student. I also worked at legal services in the summer after I graduated from law school. My first appearance as a lawyer was as a Rule 13 certified intern, representing folks in landlord-tenant court. One of the great things about working at legal services is you have no idea what kind of legal problem is going to walk in the door, and so it gives you a real opportunity to help folks solve problems. It's a great learning opportunity for a young lawyer or law student. And I took that with me when I started working at Armstrong Teasdale, which has a fantastic pro bono committee, and so I've been working for legal services ever since. Well, the firm's very supportive of pro bono. We get billable hour credit for our young lawyers so that they have an opportunity to get to court on the kinds of cases that they might not get a chance to work on in their regular practice. I personally have represented folks in appeals and in orders of protection, and the thing about that kind of legal situation is that sometimes folks are just afraid to go to court. You do half of your service as a lawyer is to go to court with them because they might be afraid to get out of the car. They might be afraid to confront the person who's causing this problem. And so you really do have an opportunity to help folks to really bring some good into their lives. But most of the time, I'm just so happy that the skills that I've developed representing clients are ones that you can use in representing folks who can't pay, folks who really do need the help and really do appreciate the work that you can do for them. The thing I get most out of pro bono and other community service sort of work is that I'd be ashamed of myself if I didn't do it. It's not that I make myself overwhelmingly proud or self-satisfied, it's just that I feel right doing it. I would feel wrong if I didn't. Well, I can tell you that legal services has a large role in the St. Louis legal community. Legal services is involved in practically every major pro bono or service effort that the bar does in the St. Louis area. So it's easy to stay involved with legal services folks who are such a part of our community.